Bursting Strength Tester. Introducing the new Testronix Bursting Strength Tester, a purely refined instrument with unmatched capability. Designed by more than 11 years of evolution, the modernist design follows the philosophy of more than 1,200 packaging companies. It is manufactured with superfluous detail, defined by signature light graphics LED display, truly distinctive and robust. This instrument has a single head operation and has auto synchronization feature to test both paper and corrugated boxes under one single head. This is a unique feature offered by Testronix, which enhances user operation and makes calibration procedure easier. This instrument is a robust machine, which helps in calculating the busting factor of corrugated boxes and paper. The instrument comprises of an LED display, which provides an accurate busting strength value on the digital display. The instrument also has an auto calibration procedure, which makes the instrument user-friendly. TXBST Digital Series comprises of mainly two models. One is a digital model with manual clamping, the other is a pneumatic model with automatic clamping, which takes place through a compressed air line. This pneumatic model provides accurate values in case there are multiple users for the machine. Both the instruments have computer connectivity and have an inbuilt software facility, which helps in providing computerized test reports. This makes analysis and R&D procedures simpler. The Testronix Bursting Strength Tester has the latest features and has high-end technology. The instrument complies with ASTM D3786-2001, ASTM D3786-80, ISO 1060 Part 1 1987.